boy, coming at you with another video. Unboxing. Oh, it's been a long time. But let me quit all the talking. Get into it. Ordered this like last week. It took about a week to come in. I ordered these from Chic. And I got them under retail. They were on sale. These normally go for, when they go for $185, $190. You know what these are? The Air Jordan Retro 6 Gatorades. Jordan and Gatorade collab. You know Jordan used to do the Gatorade commercials. Sometimes I drink like me. So we all want to be like Mike. We were sipping on that Gatorade back in the days. So this is what came of it. Similar to the Carmines, but instead of red, it's more of a burnt orange. It's not a bright orange. It's kind of a, maybe like a Texas Longhorn kind of orange. The quality is better than I thought. Like my first impressions. And I'm gonna give you that leather right there. It looks more tumbled than I thought it would look. It's pretty soft, pretty good leather. And the new buck is a real nice, real smooth to the touch. They got them perforations on the orange. They got this nylonish material on the tongue. You know that's a staple on the sixes. They got the green Jumpman. That's one thing I'm not crazy about. There's two colors I'm not fond of, is orange and green. But I love this shoe. If you keep up with my channel, I did my top 10 sneakers of the year, and of 2017, I had this thing like number 4. I was in love with the Carmines. I think these might have got them. Might have got the Carmines. It comes with this hang tab right here. That's dope. That's dope right there. This lace lock with the Gatorade sign on there and a Jumpman. Got the regular Jordan 6 shit. You know, you got that right there with the holes, the perforations. They got all the perforations on the orange. And got the air seal unit. White Jumpman in the back. And on the bottoms they have the large green Jumpman. And on the sole is not a translucent bottom. It's more of a, the best way I can explain it, it's not a translucent, it's not a gum, it's more of a milky sole. Like the whole sole is rather milky. Like, I'm pretty sure by this time y'all have seen the shoe before. They got reviews. It's been out for a little minute. So next thing, all I gotta do, look, try and get some on foots popping, some on feet. Try to see what kind of fits to put together with this shoe. That's the hardest part of the shoe. Trying to get something well with it. So gonna try and put something together. See what that's looking like. Fuck with your boy. I like these. Them bitches dope. So I want to do something different with this on foot. I want to show y'all different ideas you can come up with to wear these kicks, because it pissed me off because every time I see a on foot or see anything with them, see celebrities with them and something, it always Gatorade sweatshirt, got the Gatorade socks and all that. Man, I don't think you spend $200 on a pair of shoes or something. You gotta buy the whole starter kit for it. Like if you got Adidas, you don't have to have the Adidas tracksuit and everything. So I'm just gonna try to have a few different combinations, a few ideas. So my first time putting the shoes on, I thought they was gonna be kind of hard to put on with the lace lock and everything. But once you undo them for the first time and you put them on, they pretty comfortable and easy to get in and out of. So the first outfit, something simple, just some regular acid wash jeans, some Levi's. These are all great colorway. Just something simple. Next up, alright, got some white joggers. Yeah, they Adidas and stuff, but oh well. But some white joggers, just black shirt, real simple. You ain't got to do nothing too over the top. The shoes stand out on their own. Then come through with the camo. The camo, you can wear that with about any shoes that you want to pull out, unless it's like some loafers or some shit like that. But you could always pull out the camo. Got the orange Orioles hat. Just another little piece of orange, but don't be orange all the way from head to toe when you rock the shoe. That's my thoughts on it. I'm not no fashion guru or anything. And last up, some Levi's. I hem these up myself. So if you want to ask me how they fit like that, it's because I hemmed them myself. But some Levi's, I think there's some like 5'11s or 5'10s, and a denim shirt. So it's all denimed up. Want to show you how you can rock them with it with like a button-up type shirt. And got a Cavaliers and snapback on. Cavaliers, they sorry asses. But anyways, that's the last look on the shoe. So a few ideas other than the Gatorade outfits. Alright, so that's my review. And a few ideas that you can wear with the Jordan 6s. You ain't got to give Jordan all your money. You can give most of them. And you can keep a few dollars for yourself. And you can switch it up. You ain't got to be like everybody else. And be Gatorated from head to toe. So that's my little thoughts on the shoe. I like it. Happy that I found a deal for it. And you want to stay tuned to the channel. Check out the vlogs, music, etc. Future things coming. Like, comment, subscribe. Gonna be the greatest of the most hated. Fuck with me. Peace out.